Hello historians, I, your presenter Sanchi Mittal, and today I am going to tell you about history of Kohinoor. Kohinoor. It is the most expensive as well as the biggest diamond. It is very famous among us due to its brilliance and uniqueness. It got its name by the most powerful Iranian ruler Nadir Shah. Kohinoor means mountain of light or beauty in Persian and Hindi Urdu. This diamond was originally mined in South India, present-day state of Karnataka, long before the 13th century CE. According to mythological records, the Kohinoor as Samankantanka Mani was first possessed by Satyajit, gifted to him by Suryadev. It is believed that Satyajit ruled a small kingdom of Satrapur near Dwarika. According to few more sources, the Kohinoor diamond was adorned as the left eye of Bhadrakali in a temple in Warangal, the Kakatiya kingdom, before it fell in the hands of the Khiljis. Alauddin Khilji stole the diamond from the kingdom along with a lot wealth. Many other kingdoms also owned the diamond but were inefficient later. Later on, Babur defeated Ibrahim Lodi, the last ruler of the dynasty as well as the Delhi Sultanate, and took the diamond. For many years, the diamond continued to stay with Mughals. Even the diamond was placed on the peacock throne of Shah Jahan. After a long time, at the time of later Mughal Muhammad Shah, the most powerful Iranian ruler, Nadir Shah invaded India and took the peacock throne with him as Mughal ruler was not efficient to protect the diamond. The successor of Nadir Shah, Ahmad Shah Durrani, was defeated in a war and was sent to Lahore, where he met Maharaja Ranjit Singh. He offered the diamond to the Sikh leader in exchange of refuge for Durrani. Maharaja Ranjit Singh took it and became the owner. After his death, the diamond was passed on to his son, Duleep Singh. He became the leader when he was just 10 years old. At that time, the British East India Company was also expanding. In the greed of the diamond and the Sikh Empire, they forcefully put Rani Jindan, the mother of Maharaja Duleep Singh, in jail and sent him to Fatehgarh in modern-day Uttar Pradesh in India under the guardianship of British Army surgeon John Logan and his wife Lena, who were devout Christians. Duleep Singh converted to Christianity. Britishers took the gem and gifted that to the Queen Victoria. After her death, the gem was set in the crown of Queen Alexandra that was used to crown her at her coronation in 1902. Till that time, the crown as well as the diamond are placed in Buckingham Palace in London, UK. Thank you for listening me. Please like, share and subscribe.